What if physics isn't universal? Ever wondered if gravity pulls differently on a planet orbiting a star in a galaxy far, far away? What if the very fabric of reality operates under different rules elsewhere in the cosmos? Let's dive into this mind-bending possibility. Our current understanding of the universe is built upon the Standard Model of particle physics and Einstein's theory of general relativity. These frameworks describe the fundamental forces and particles that govern everything we observe. But are these laws truly universal? Could they be mere local phenomena, specific to our corner of the cosmos? The implications of non-universal physics are staggering. While the Standard Model has been incredibly successful, there are hints that it might not be the whole story. Dark matter and dark energy, for example, remain mysterious and unexplained. Some scientists propose that these phenomena could be evidence of physics operating differently in other regions of the universe. Could variations in fundamental constants, like the speed of light, be possible? If the laws of physics vary, the conditions for life could be drastically different elsewhere. Imagine planets where stars burn hotter or cooler, or where chemical reactions proceed in entirely unexpected ways. The very structure of galaxies and the evolution of the universe could be shaped by different physical laws. It challenges our understanding of cosmic evolution. Exploring the possibility of non-universal physics requires pushing the boundaries of our current knowledge. Scientists are using telescopes and particle accelerators to probe the universe for subtle variations in fundamental constants. Theoretical physicists are developing new models that allow for the possibility of varying physical laws. The quest to understand the true nature of reality continues. The question of whether physics is universal is one of the most profound and exciting challenges in modern science. What do you think? Subscribe to our channel for more mind-blowing explorations of the universe.